The last jumbo dollar to circulate was the Eisenhower, right? 71 to 78, P's and D's were put into circulation. And if you've seen them lately, they are not the prettiest coin after they've been worn. Now, the silver versions are a lot of fun, but the rarity is in the high-grade Denvers. And tonight, we put together a package that is wow. Outright wow. So again, that was made for 8 years, 71 to 78. And again, the 75 and 76 are known as Type 1 and Type 2. They're the bicentennial years. They are in this grouping we have. When you look at the rarity index for how many coins were made, yet how few of them are known to exist, it is wow. Now, time out, everybody. All of our competitors that we go up against every day, many of you know who they are, right? Sell the regular coin in a capsule for north of $25 to $35 a piece for the 5 coins we're showing you right here. We're showing you one of the finest known specimens of each of these respective coins. Buy one, you'll get a random. Buy two different, 3 different, up to 5 different, all of them Denver struck, all of them with crazy rarity.
Let's talk about those vintage figures to begin with. Steve referenced they were made for circulation. 1971 Denver, a vintage figure of almost 69 million coins. Okay, 1973 Denver, you're looking at, I'm looking through my notes right here, and I need to get my glasses. So 71 Denver. Let's just start with 71 Denver.
71 Denver, 68
Let's
million.
Talk about that.
Versus how many are known in 65 or higher?
Just over 5,000 in 65 grade or better. 5,000 plus compared to 68.5 million coins made.
Again, and that's the first one out of the chute. It's in our grouping tonight as well. You're going to get that coin if you buy a couple from us because it's one of them. There's not one on the screen that isn't a special coin. 71D, the first year of issue. 7070, 76D, which is the bicentennial. 73D, the lowest mintage. 74D, the sleeper. All of them, tiny, tiny fractions. If a silver eagle had the populations of these coins in uncirculated condition, it would be a whole different story.
Even that 77 Denver, that has the highest population in this particular group at 15,000 and change. But even that vintage figure is almost 33 million coins made that year. So even at the highest population of our group, you're looking at 15,000 out of 33 million coins.
Fractions of a fraction of a percent, which is where you always want to be. But that is just chapter 1. Chapter 2 is the population numbers we talked about, which is part of that swing 1 into swing 2, but then it's value for these significantly rare coins that are from the last 50 years. Think about that. We're in 2023, right? That means we're over 50 years ago, half a century ago, which makes me feel a little bit older than I thought I was, but the bottom line is I know I am. 71, the first year of issue. Now, how few are known this nice? That is the significant difference. So buy one, you'll get one. Buy 5, you'll get 5 different. They are phenomenal coins, and they're all just $29.95. Competition, way north for uncirculated coins, and we couldn't find anybody with 5s because, well, there's nothing out there. There's so few of them known to exist.
Now you are seeing 2 different reverse designs just now. That is that original design right there. That's all of the Eisenhowers in the series besides that 1976. 75 and 76 for the bicentennial. They brought out a new bicentennial reverse image. You can see them both there right there. And if you buy 5, you're going to be guaranteed 5 different coins, including that bicentennial. That bicentennial population, by the way, is only 3,400 and change known to exist. That's the Type 2, and there it is right there. It has the dual date on the obverse, 76 to 1976, and that reverse design was a one-time only. They did it on the quarter, the half, and the
Eisenhower.
Yes, the Eisenhower, as you see on your screen. Somebody needs a coffee, and that would be me. But it's guaranteed in this tonight. And the lowest population, you just saw it, 1973, Denver, just about 2,000 coins known to exist in 65 grade or higher. Talk about a percentage, a fraction. That is tremendous.
Again, love the series. Again, the basics are the basics. It's the last jumbo silver dollar. What do I mean by jumbo? The Morgan dollar is 38.1 millimeters. The Peace dollar is 38.1 millimeters. This Eisenhower is 38.1 millimeter, the jumbo dollar. We all thought it was a great idea to bring the coin back until we had to put 4 or 5 of them in our pocket. And that changed everything, right? Because paper money was just so much easier. So the novelty made it last for a few years, but then people eventually said, nah, paper works. We went to the mini dollar in '79, remember? Right, the Susan B. Anthony, and they've all been mini since then. So finding high grade is the key. High grade is the key. If you go back to the Morgan series, a 5 is perfect. But they're out there. Peace dollar, the same thing. Surprisingly, the Eisenhower has fewer coins in 5 or higher than the 2 priors we mentioned. On a year-by-year basis, which means the average is that small. If you look at the ones we have here, the average is under 5,000 coins per year known this nice. So get one, and you're going to want to complete that collection, I guarantee it. It's an affordable collection, however, for how rare they are. Guys, we got to put a 30-second clock up. The phones are very busy. We thank you. avccoins.com. Always the hero. It's the opportunity to go there and not have to hear the nee, and then have to hit redial and call back.
And it's shopping made fun. $29.95 each for these mid-state 65s, independently graded by NGC. Again, average about 5,000 known per. If you average out all of these dates, we can guarantee up to 5 different. Guaranteed you're going to get a Denver mint in those 5 different with that bicentennial type 2 as well. $29.95 each for a 65. Our competition is $35 for mid-state 60s. So save, get the variety, and let's just join us on this one. And you have to be moving on.